So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu. Now try to find the app. So when you find the app, use your finger to tap on it for some while. This is going to pop up. Tap on application details and it's going to send you to your app info. And what you have to do when you get here is to tap on the first tab. Now tap on OK. After that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is toggled on. After that, now go back, tap on notification. Make sure show notification is also toggled on. Now go back, tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. When you tap on clear cache and it's not working, tap on clear storage. Tap on OK. Now go back. Now what you have to do is to tap on your Google Play Store to check for the updates. When you have the latest updates, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while and you're going to see power off and reboot. Slide this to this place, then you leave it or release your hand, and when it's turned off, you're going to see your video. You're going to see that your app has been fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.